against us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text.
Okay, so I got MoonXCosmetics. I ended up getting this in when she restocked in March. So I've had it for a minute. I spent $121. So I bought two of what I wanted to use. So before I do all that, I can show y'all how it came. I look tired. And that's how I came packaged. And a little thank you card was just sitting right there. I literally waited, I don't know why, to do this unboxing video. So I was only able to catch the little rose galore. Excuse me. We got another one. I like how they made sure this wasn't going to go nowhere, wasn't going to break, because, yeah. So, I got two of them. $18 a piece, basically. And these are the two that I could catch. And then, y'all know, I had to get the mask. I got my hands on the mask I could get. She sold out in literally like 8 or 9 minutes. I literally stayed up and waited for this sale. So I definitely was like, okay, let me see what this stuff about. Let me see if that do something and give my face a little bit more deliverance. This the Jada Waiter Brighten Mask. Been waiting to try to see what this was about. Like, yeah, I like it. I already like how I feel. I already like how it feels when it hits my face. We'll be going in summer. So these were the 2-ounce containers. And I paid for $35 each. So 2 of them was $71. 4 items there. Oh, I love how that is like doing what that is doing to my skin. I got 2 because I just knew, well, one, this was the only size they had left of the Rose Galore, and I know that this is like their best-selling thing. So I'm like, okay, let me try it. Let me see what's up with it. If I can get my hands on some of it, let me just get my hands on it. And I got the Brighten Mask because I've been like clean up the dark spots. I really wanted to do the unboxing with you guys because, yeah, she's so exclusive and you can really only get her stuff. Really only get her stuff until she sells it again. I want to know exactly what she's selling in this to where it's selling out in minutes and it takes her so long to restock. I just want to know what the hype is about because she done sold this shit out so many times and it's so exclusive and it's smart. You guys can let me know on some secrets if you guys have already tried it. I know girls that swear by it. Even though it's not technically day one when I got the package on March 13th and I caught it shipped out the 29th of March. I didn't really get it till the first week of April. I was grateful for even getting my hands on these 4 products, even though I wanted the larger size. At least I can kind of see what I like about each product and you guys can see as well. If it does the assignment, then the money, they can have all my money. Definitely smells natural. That smelling, I'm feeling smooth. It has a little dropper Definitely got my hand. That's that hand. That's that hand. I don't know if you can see the difference in this hand. We're on day 1. This is the unboxing. I can't wait to see what it's gonna be like on my skin, and we'll have this journey together. You go to her page, MoonXCosmetics LLC. She has the restock dates up under her bio. They're very detailed, and I've seen some really good results from people. People swear by it. We're gonna see how this works. And we'll go from there. Alright. I'm back with a messy twist, whatever. Day 1, I'm going to put my mask on. I'm probably going to leave it on for like 15 minutes, probably. So I don't know if that's too much. How much I put in my hand. And I'm gonna just kind of even other side. Yeah, I like how this feels on my skin. It's all tingly and stuff. My neighbors are fighting again. I got a pretty generous amount on my face. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back in 15 minutes and see what it does. Right now, it just feels like really cool and really like tingly. I'm probably gonna use like a little cotton pad with warm water and just take it off my face. Then I'm gonna take a hot towel and compress my face and then put on the Rose Galore after. And yeah, we'll see from there. All right, I'm back with the yellow face. It's dried out. It's a little bit, it's kind of been over 15 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of been well over 15 minutes, which is okay because it just gave it a little more time to melt or whatever. But I'm gonna take like 2 of these little cotton pads like that and put them together. I'm gonna get the water nice and hot or warm, and I'm just going to wipe my face off. Mask off of my face. Turn it around. That half of my face clean. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. On this side, I still have some mask on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Cotton pads. And wipe my face. My face does feel like clean, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna go back with one more. Alright, nothing on my face. Once I get rid of the cotton pads, I'm going to take a washcloth, get it all nice and steamy. You can't really see that it's hot. And just put it over my face. So I got all of that mask off. And yeah, day 1 of me trying the mask. So left it on for over 15 minutes. It was supposed to be 15 minutes, but it was definitely a little over 15 minutes. Now I'm going to I'm going to put the Rose Galore drops on my face. think I just wasted time. So I just put 4 drops. Probably could have did cool with 2. My face is definitely moisturized. Go ahead and put it on my lips too. My lips are dry. The rose Galore on my face, it definitely is moisturized. It feels, it does not feel like, it doesn't feel greasy at all. I probably don't need that much. My skin took to it really well. I like it. So we're gonna see. This is day 1 using these products. So we're gonna see how it works. And again, I'll keep you guys updated.
Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth.